Hi, my name is DatT, and this is my project 14. So this is my file structure. This is my main activity. This is my student list adapter, and this is my student class. And this is some of the additional file that I use for this project. And now we'll demonstrate the project. So here I have the recycler view, and I can click on the item, and it will show the item name and position. Or I can click on this button, and then I'll click add, and if I scroll down, I'll see John. Do that again, and I'll see John. And this is the drawer menu, and I can click on import or gallery. I can go here to the menu, hit on settings, and that's it for my project 14. In this project, the additional feature that I added is I create another recycler view, and what it does is it retrieves data from the Pokemon API, and then it creates a recycler view, and it shows the Pokemon name, its URL, and the image for that Pokemon. So I can keep scrolling down to see all the Pokemon. And that's it for my project 14. Thank you for listening.